What's up, YouTube? What's going on? It's your boy, Carworks 101. Okay, that is a lot of work. I don't know how people get these sick ass intros. Or all. It's all a lie. It's all a lie. It's gotta be a lie. Who's happy all the time like that? Okay, my brother's on his way over, so I'm gonna help him build a computer, but I'm gonna try to bust out some things I want to take before the registration expires on the BMW. I want to be able to take it to work so I can pressure wash the engine bay to get the oil off, because when I do, it's gonna be messy to take apart. So if I could clean it off, it'd be a little better. Progress on the Exocet, nothing. Just throw that out there. I gotta get AN fittings for the oil lines, waiting on the radiator. When the radiator gets here, then I can, oh, here's this little thing. So I mocked up real quick. I don't have a bolt through it or anything, but essentially it goes like, you know, you put your bolt in here or whatever with the cover thing. So I drilled holes in here, and then so once I bolt it down with the spacers in between, it'll be spaced out perfectly to the crank pulley, so I'll be able to run a belt to here, hopefully. This isn't tried and true yet. I gotta see which way this tension's to. So I can put one here, a belt around here, and then I can also put a belt around here, the water pump, and the alternator. That's what the hope is. And that the tension's all right, in the right places, I hope. I haven't really thought this through yet, but that's kind of how it's gonna be. So drill the hole in those, and then go ahead and, I should probably test that out actually. Anyway, the regulator's mounted. I think this is gonna be enough clearance. I mean, unless the radiator decides to be this fat, about 5 inches or so. And then the intercooler is gonna go here. I can almost fit the intercooler and radiator in here, but that would look stupid with the bars. So the intercooler is gonna go here, and a lot of the guys run the pipes over like this. And then I forgot to get I gotta get gas for the welder. Stuff I can do, but I want to take the hood off the BMW right now, so I can, yeah. Ooh, I stayed up way too late watching Stranger Things. Finally finished season 2. Alright, so I'm gonna attempt number 2 to drive the BMW to work. Yesterday I ran out of gas and I had to push it home about 1/8 of a mile. It was terrible. So now, and the battery was dead. So, gonna carry the battery to the car down the street, throw it in. Alright, problem number 1. I close the trunk. And oh, smelling gas everywhere. That's right. Cool. It's gonna smell like gas for life. Fuck. Close the trunk. You can't open the trunk with the key, because it doesn't work like that, I guess. So what I'm gonna do is put jumper cables under the hood here, and okay, this is nice and loose battery thing. Okay, and there's a ground, need a ground. give her the beans. I'm assuming it ran out of gas. Could have just died, for all I know. Prime the fuel system. No. Well, that sucks. Oh, there we go. Go for our first drive, shall we? Clip you on the door handle there. Exposure's too high. Alright. Got coffee. I look like a ghost. Turn the exposure up. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and give her the beans on the freeway over here. We'll see what happens. And I gotta hold my coffee because, oh wait. Oh, it does have cup holders. Neato. Come on. Oh god. Oh my god. There we go. Right on the radio. That's the best thing. I love when customers, things stop operating and they're like, I don't know what happened. And then I open up their stuff and then there's coffee inside their whatever. Oh, how'd that go there? Alright, let's give her the beans. Second gear. Whoa! I don't know what that was, but it just flew off. Cool. Alright, well, let's try it again. Let's do, slow down in second gear. Okay, here we go, second gear. It's quite scary. I don't know. I think my tire just blew out. What the fuck is happening? I don't know what's going on. Did I get a flat tire? I might have just got a flat tire. Or this thing is just very scary. I don't know what's happening. It feels fine. Anyways, I'm just gonna not do that again. Second gear, it almost feels like it's losing traction, but the whole time it's literally like when you turn the traction control button with the wavy lines. That's what it was literally like. I gunned it, and it was like that. I never felt that before. Usually cars go one way, and this has LSD. I don't know. This thing might have a limited slip. Is that why it felt like that? I don't know. So that was quite scary. Gonna not do that again. Sounds good. Alright, I will keep you posted. Alright, I got a little turn coming up over here on the freeway. So I'm gonna kind of turn, see how suspension feels. This thing does have I don't know the name of the company, I'll think about it. Pre-thought. Like, sorry, the camera's wobbling a bunch. Okay, let's go ahead and feels so weird in the rear end. Maybe it's got a. I never felt a car that feels so weird. Like maybe the diff's worn out. I'm not really sure if it's LFP. I don't know. Something doesn't feel right in the back. Maybe bushings and the diff. Oh God! Oh jeez. All right, let's see. I'll give it a little bit of beans here. Oh God, spilling coffee. Luckily the interior is coming out. Alright, here we go. And the camera. Alright, okay. Just got power, I'm surprised. I'm really surprised at the power this thing has. Very surprising. The clutch is definitely pretty much gone. It's like it's right. It grabs right at the end. There we go. Turn in here. So grabs enough to get sideways. Yeah. Kicks it sideways around the turn, so the ABS doesn't work, so my traction control doesn't work. So that must have happened from the accident. I'm not really sure. Alright, let's give her some beans here, yes. Wake up the crackheads down here on my street. Scare this guy. Holy shit! The camera fell apart. That was sketch. It's so weird how it, when I drive, it's like, I've never felt such an unsafe rear end. It's literally like the traction control button looks, the squiggly lines. It doesn't just want to kick sideways. Like I said, I don't know, maybe it has a limited slip, but I'm not sure. It just kind of just goes, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. You can feel the ass end, you know? It just kind of go, woo, 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 woo. I want to see what I can do here at work. See if I can. Oh, nobody's up front. There's like literally nobody up front. I could just steal cars with this car, this S-Class. Probably has a key in it. There's nobody up front. I was gonna try and trick you, but there was nobody out here, so.
I saw you in there and I actually was like, oh, somebody's here.
Yeah, can I come? I'm here for a service. Can you go ahead and write me up?
Hey, Derek.
Hey, Derek, I'm here for a service.
Here for a recall?
Yeah, can you go ahead and take care of this?
Christ. This is your new pickup? This is what you bought?
I got this from my brother-in-law. Capture the extent of the nastiness down here. Whew. Everything covered. Disgusting. the one spot that I cleaned. Ooh. That's pretty bad. Jack the car up, so I'm gonna go spray underneath now. Oh, now you can see stuff. Alright, since I do not have anything to really continue on the Exocet, I'm gonna do some cheap shit. Ooh, cheap stuff on the BMW. I am going to strip it out. Screw it, why not? Right. I'm gonna take a. Let me see if I can get the engine here. How clean it is now. I can definitely see it's leaking from the front cover of the corner right here. And I'm sure it's leaking same corner over there. Everything's like, ooh, I got it as best as I could. Everything's super clean. A couple things I'm gonna look into. Like, what is this? Seems like this must be the drain back for the oil. See, I don't know if there's like an easy kit to retrofit a cooler on this, because it does not appear to have one, just as the radiator. So I'm gonna strip it down, and then that way I can do, I don't know what I can do. Start stripping around. see how much water wreaks havoc on your car. So this thing had a water leak, never took care of. I replaced this, soldered all these, which was a pain in the ass because the wires are all corroded. I'm assuming these were can connectors, they're all corroded. So that's probably why maybe the speedometer doesn't work, who knows. I don't know for BMW which color is powertrain, probably green. Anyways, yeah, the ground's all corroded. The carpet was actually still wet when I pulled it out. And it hasn't rained in a long ass time. Just shows how much water sucks. Water sucks. It really, really sucks. There's a piece of brake line. So yeah, interior is pretty much out. I think I'll leave the center console in for now, maybe? I don't know, because it kind of holds everything. I don't really know. It doesn't really matter, honestly. So then the next thing I want to do is order up some metal so I can start. I probably should finish the exo set, or at least, I don't know. But for now, I'm getting bored. I get left home alone. This is what happens. So, yeah. Let's see what else. Yeah. So yeah, cage will blah 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 blah. It doesn't matter, but I'm watching videos how to build a cage, so hopefully can do that soon, maybe. Cool beans. Now I'm gonna post this stuff on Facebook and see if anybody wants it for free, because I don't want to throw it in the garbage. Cool.